Should you learn jQuery in 2020? jQuery is a JavaScript library that makes things like document manipulation and event handling easier. jQuery used to be much more popular a few years ago, but now some of the needs of jQuery have been superseded by modern browsers. Let's look at a few examples. Selecting DOM elements. In jQuery, we use $sign and then write CSS selector. In this example, I use .card to select element. In JavaScript, we use document object and then call query selector and then write CSS selector to access the element. Waiting for a DOM to be loaded. Carefully take a look at these examples. Removing an element. Carefully take a look at these examples. Add or remove classes for an element. Carefully take a look at these examples. Ajax request. Modern browsers support Fetch API to call a REST APIs. We can use the Fetch API instead of AJAX request. So what's the answer? Using jQuery is a thing that everybody should decide on their own. What's your view on the matter? Guys, don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel with notification bell activated so you don't miss any updated. See you next time. Have a good day.